Yes, yes, I'm coming.
Are you hungry, pusses? Oh, shall I follow you? So you're plant-based, you just come in from work, you're hungry, and you've got barely anything in. A bit of tofu, some veggies, but you want something quick, tasty, and nutritious? I've got just the thing. You like the scratching post, don't you? Hey everyone, it's Adam here from Vegan Food and Fitness, and in today's recipe video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really straightforward, plant-based pesto tofu dish. It requires only a couple of ingredients, stuff that you definitely have in the house already or can easily get hold of. You know, there's some pesto going into it, there's some tofu, some veggies, some rice. It just basically all goes into a pan, goes into the oven with some liquid, some stock, and it gets cooked. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So it doesn't require much effort, especially if you've been in work or in college all day. It's a really straightforward dish. I'll leave the recipe in the description box below, so you can all follow along, but don't forget to watch the video in full so you can see exactly how everything is broken down. So let's get started. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this dish. So it's really straightforward, literally just a couple, there's not even that many ingredients here. We've got some olive oil, which you should have in typically. You can use other oils as well if you want. Some peppers, onion, you can add some additional vegetables if you want. I might add some mushrooms as well if I'm feeling adventurous. Some chopped tomatoes, and again, that's just a standard like store-cupboard staple. Always have some of those in. You can always make a meal from it. Some garlic for some extra flavor. Obviously the rice, the tofu, which has been pressed to oblivion, but it creates this cool little pattern, as you can see. So what I'm also gonna do, just to make sure that the tofu stays crispy and doesn't stick to the casserole pan itself, I'm gonna add a bit of corn flour. I'm gonna add it into a container like this, and then I'm gonna season it, and I'm also just gonna basically put the lid on and just shake it up, and then that will coat everything evenly, all the tofu evenly. That's then gonna go into the pan, and it just adds like an extra coating to the tofu, so it doesn't stick and you don't end up with like all bits at the bottom basically. This one is super greedy and she can't be quiet. And basically, when we got her, she was super quiet and she was really timid and shy. And now we've brought your confidence out, haven't we? Yes. My baby. Oh, hello. So I've just added the pan to the oven, and it's going to cook for around 20-25 minutes. I'd say just check on the mixture every so often just to make sure that the ingredients aren't drying out. If it is getting a bit dry, just add a bit more boiling water and then just put it back into the oven and just allow it to cook that little bit longer, because the rice can sometimes take that little bit longer. So here's the final dish. You know, if you wanted something quick, you want something with a few ingredients without having to mess around for ages and ages in the kitchen, then this is definitely a great tasting dish that will give you that. Bit of rice, some peppers, some veggies, bit of tofu. I mean, the tofu's fine, it's optional. I prefer it because there's that extra protein, but you don't have to have it. This will still fill you with plenty of vegetables, the rice and the pesto. So hopefully you enjoyed the recipe video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. It helps others find the channel and the video as well. And also don't forget to subscribe. There's plenty more plant-based recipes coming on the channel. I've got some breakfast recipes coming up. I've got some seasonal recipes that you'll absolutely love. All really, really tasty dishes that aren't too complicated either. Let me know in the comments what you prefer as a quick dish to make, you know, when you just want to get home, put your feet up straight away. I'd love to hear from you guys. So I will see you all very soon. Bye bye. And you just want to have something quick and then sit down and put your feet up. Let me know.
Oh no.
It's okay, we'll do that bit again. I'll go from the like part. But...
Sorry.